Hi guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So this video is for all the art lovers and all the art teachers. So there's this place known as Ngong Racecourse. It's along Ngong Road, and they have works of art. They produce works of art, and it's a great place because they have their workshop there. So you're able to see how they produce everything from the beginning up to the finished product. So you can organize for a visit there with your children, with your learners, so that they can benefit from this. Watch and see what I'm talking about. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video to the end. I hope I've been of help. Please organize a trip so that your learners and your kids can benefit from the same. It's a great place, Ngong Racecourse along Ngong Road. And please remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.